Hello everybody, this is Frank, and this is my new channel, Tinker's Workshop. The main focus of this channel is going to be around trains, just trains in general, in my experience with trains. Most of it will be model railroading related, so you might see bench work being created, laying down a track, maybe even running some trains on some things, maybe even some op sessions with some model railroading. But also I want to add some things like when I go rail fanning, and takes those nice pictures of trains that go by, or maybe even trips on some trains, which will be kind of good. So that's really the main focus of this channel. Now it is Tinker's Workshop, so what does that mean otherwise? Well, first part, let me talk about that, is my name of Tinker. I have another channel where I play Minecraft, and on that you have like an in-game name, and I go by Tinker over there. So many people know me as Tinker, and I kind of feel that's very fitting because I like to tinker with things. So that's the other part, is the workshop. I like to tinker with other things besides model railroading. I build the droids from Star Wars. I work with Legos. I like to play and build things and create new things, you know. I'd like to do all sorts of things like electronic work, soldering, whatever you name it. I like to tinker and I like to work in my workshop. So there may be some other videos that are not specifically train related on here. Maybe I might be experimenting with a piece of electronics that may work with something with railroading. We don't know. We'll just have to see. But this is my experience, and this is how I like to have fun. I love model railroading. I love Lego. I love droid building, and I love electronics. And this is where I'm going to share that with you. So if you would please, hey, you know what? Subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. Like this video and like with the videos that are coming up shortly. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What can I do better? What can I do a lot better? And we'll see how it goes, okay? Thanks very much, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.